Good evening, dear people. How are you doing today and how was your day? I hope it was splendid. If you're just getting to this channel, this is Javin's TV. Kindly stay tuned here, subscribe, share those news, and then follow me here for your political news updates on daily basis. My dear people, still on the news of the arrest of Nnamdi Kanu Odogwu, the mouthpiece of the Igbos, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. I am bringing another update for you right now. British lawyers have dragged Kenya to International Criminal Court. British lawyers drag Kenya to ICC, then give Buhari government 48 hours ultimatum. Yeah, Amurawo government, they have given this Amurawo government 48 hours ultimatum to release Nnamdi Kanu. This is true. I told you the other day to keep calm. The book of Exodus says, "The Lord will fight for you and you shall hold your peace." My dear people, I would like you to hold your peace on this issue. The Lord is fighting for us. The Lord will definitely fight for us. This popular saying that every disappointment is a blessing is not just a saying. It is real. This could be the only way Biafra will be Biafra will be restored, and we are heading there. So continue to keep calm. The Lord is fighting for us. It is our duty to hold our peace. Yeah, I have a very an article here that I want to read out for you guys so you can get today's news updates. A coalition of British lawyers of Igbo extraction has vowed to drag the Kenyan government to the International Criminal Court (ICC) for detaining Nnamdi Kanu, a British citizen, and subsequently handing him over the Nigerian government. The coalition also gave the Nigerian government 48 hours ultimatum to release Nnamdi Kanu, return him to the United Kingdom, and follow the right process of extradition. Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, was arrested and detained by Kenyan authorities and was later handed over to the Nigerian government. The lawyer's statement was signed by Barrister Ebuka Okorafo, accusing the Kenyan government of violating the human rights of the IPOB leader, who entered their country with his British passports. Coalition of Igbo British lawyers condemns the illegal detention and subsequent handing over of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, to the Nigerian government by the Kenyan government. The coalition statement said they described as archaic and illegal the action of the Kenyan government, adding, "It is worthy of note to mention that Nnamdi Kanu entered Kenya with his British passport, and the Kenyan government is fully aware of his citizenship status, but still went ahead to perpetrate their illegal act, which does not only breach the personal human rights of Nnamdi Kanu, but also undermine the sovereignty of the British government." The statement read in part, the coalition warned that the failure of the Nigerian government to free Kanu and return him to the UK will be seen as a declaration of war not just on the IPOB leader and his group, but the entire Igbos. While this serves as a pre-action notice to the Kenyan government, as we shall be heading to the International Criminal Court to rectify the justice done, as it is tried law that injustice to one is injustice to all. We are also by this medium informing the Nigerian government that they have 48 hours to return Nnamdi Kanu to the United Kingdom. And if he has any charges to answer to, they should, as a nation that is governed by the Constitution, passed through the legal means of filing an extradition notice. The group further warned that no bodily harm, I repeat, my people, no bodily harm whatsoever must be done to Nnamdi Kanu. I agree with this, my dear people. The UK government said the UK Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Office stands ready to provide consular assistance to the IPOB leader. Nnamdi Kanu was arraigned before Justice Binta Yako of the Federal High Court on Tuesday and was remanded at the Department of State Service until July 26. Okay, now adding to this, I am going to tell you about the attack on Sunday Igboho's home today. Alright guys, by 1:30 a.m. today being Thursday, the home of the Yoruba activist Sunday Igboho was attacked. The updates we got from the personal assistant said that over 100 soldiers in 7 army trucks attacked Sunday Igboho's home. This is coming from Koiki. He said 2 persons were killed during an attack on the residence of self-acclaimed activist and Yoruba Nation agitator Chief Sunday Adeyemo, also known as Sunday Igboho. This was disclosed by Igboho's spokesman and associate Olayomi Koiki. The attack on the agitator's residence in Ibadan, the Oyo State capital, was said to have occurred in the early hours of Thursday morning. Koiki also alleged that the assailants were soldiers numbering more than 100, adding that they arrived in a convoy of 7 patrol vans belonging to the Nigerian Army. The spokesman noted, however, that Igboho is currently safe. It was gathered that the cars and properties belonging to the Yoruba Nation activists were destroyed during the invasion. Some occupants in the house at the time of the attack was said to have been whisked away by the assailants. When contacted, the Oyo Police Public Relations Officer Adewale Osifeso said he heard about the incident but could not confirm. Thursday's attack is coming 72 hours to a Yoruba Nation rally scheduled to take place in Lagos on June 3rd. On June 3rd. Okay, now, someone is saying something here. The leader of the Elana Omo Odua Emeritus, Professor Banji Akintoye, has revealed something. He revealed that those who attacked Chief Sunday Igboho's residence on Thursday, 1st of July 2021, spoke the French language fluently. The Oduduwa Republic Promoters House in Ibadan, Oyo State, was attacked on Thursday morning. The attackers allegedly killed 7 and went away with several others, including the wife of Sunday Igboho. The entire building was ransacked and vehicles in the compound were destroyed. In reaction to the attack, Professor Akintoye said the attack on Igboho was sponsored by the federal government. He alleged that the government hired the attackers from neighboring countries. The attackers were accompanied by the military, but they were not Nigerians. The professor said they spoke the French language fluently. The statement also revealed that the 7 people were shot dead during the attack and Igboho's wife was whisked away with others. This was the second attack on Igboho's residence after the evicted killer herdsmen from the Igongo area of Oyo State in January 2021. 2021. The attack came a few hours before the Yoruba Nation rally scheduled to be held in Lagos on the 3rd of June 2021. Now, Igboho is speaking. Thank God he's alive, so he's now speaking on his experience. I was at home when gunmen in military uniforms attacked my home. This is Sunday Igboho speaking right now. Popular Yoruba activist Sunday Igboho has spoken to BBC Pidgin shortly after his home was attacked by gunmen who were reportedly wearing military uniforms. Reports had it that 2 people were killed in the attack. This is from him. This is what he had. But the other man said 7 people, so I don't really know. Some were arrested and vehicles in the compound were destroyed. Check out some of the photos of Igboho's house after the attack. In a video posted by BBC Pidgin, Sunday Igboho made it clear that he was at home when the gunmen in military uniform attacked. The activist said that he heard gunshots outside of his mansion, and he also heard the gunmen shouting and calling him to come out of the building. Igboho said that he looked out of his window and he saw the gunmen who were already trying to break into his compound. He added that he was shocked to see the gunmen in the compound because his rally has always been peaceful. In his words, "I'm just fighting for my people because Fulani bandits have been terrorizing our communities and killing people. My rallies are always peaceful, and I'm surprised my house was attacked. They killed 2 people, they destroyed my vehicles and properties." However, Igboho didn't give details on how he escaped the building when the gunmen attacked. You can watch. Okay, no, I'm not uploading any video here right now. But, finally, the gunmen finally arrested a cat. They killed some cats and arrested 1 big cat, thinking maybe the other cats that were killed could be Sunday Igboho, or the big one could be him. They arrested the cat. You can see how foolish these people are. You can see how insane they are. That is what is happening, my people. What did Sunday Igboho do? Because he is trying to fight for his people, because Fulani bandits have been terrorizing his community, killing his people and raping women. That is the only crime he has committed. That is what took them the pain of leaving their offices, going to somebody's house in hundreds, midnight. That's we are to go and kill somebody. That is to tell you how insane these people are. My dear people, God will save us from this country. God will definitely save us. I will be back there. Stay tuned here. Thank you very much.